What's really good, YouTube? How we doing? It's your man Ribs from Ribs Doing Film Things. My YouTube channel is all about film photography, so if that's your thing, go ahead and subscribe. Today we are doing an unboxing video. Ordered a bunch of stuff on eBay over the last 2 weeks and things have been kind of trickling in. So this next box, I have no idea what it's going to be, but I'm quite excited. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, so this is what I was hoping it would be, and it's expired film. I ordered a whole bunch of this stuff from some dude on eBay, and I got all kinds of cool stuff here. So first thing I got here is a roll of Ektachrome 200. I'm not sure when this is from. Let's see, the box says 9/2009, so it's pretty old. Let's see, what else we got in here? Okay, the infamous Boots film. This is the stuff that's sold here in the pharmacy in the UK. And they stopped making this, I'm not sure how long ago, but they don't sell this anymore. And this is from 2010. Let's see, what else do we have in here? No idea what this is. Colorama Smart Film. It's probably the ugliest packaging I've ever seen, but you know, you can't really control that piece. And this is again 200 film. And this one is from 2005, March 2005. What else we got in here? All right, so we have some stuff here in a little canister. Let me just pull it out. And we got Kodak Gold 100. Cool. This is not in the box, so I have no idea when this expires or when it expired, but I guess I can look at the listing on eBay and see what the information is. We got some other things in here that are in little canisters, so let me pop those open. Let's see. Okay, here we go. This is the one I'm very curious about. Here we have some Kodak Portra from back in the day. Kodak Portra 400 VC. And this is definitely expired. Forget when this was out, but I would assume this is probably from the early 2000s. I don't know, we'll see. Here we got some Kodak Color Plus. See how ugly this packaging is as well? You can tell this is from like the 2000s. The packaging is just very strange from a time back in the day. And this one expired in 2010. So, not too old, but we'll see what kind of results I get there. And then finally, we've got some Agfapan 400. This stuff expired in 1998, according to this, 198. So, no idea what the results on this are gonna be, but definitely curious to find out. All right, so that's my film haul for this recent delivery. Not sure what my plan is for any of these rolls, but definitely hoping to get out there soon. I know things are still kind of in a bit of a lockdown and it's not really any end in sight. So we'll find out. We'll see what happens over the next few weeks. Nonetheless, during my daily walks, I'm definitely gonna keep taking a few shots here and there depending on what park I go to. Maybe I go down a new street, maybe I look for a new park, you know, kind of change it up as much as possible within this new routine that we all have. So I was gonna end this video, you know, because I don't have too much to say, but I got another package and this time I definitely know it's film. This box came to me from Analog Wonderland, and basically they had a sale the other day because of the fact that they've got new packaging. And the new packaging is intended to be good for individual rolls. It uses less cardboard and it weighs a bit less and it's smaller. So it's more efficient for people ordering just a couple rolls. So that's exactly what I did. Got myself some Ektachrome 100. Very excited to shoot some slide film now that I have the chemicals at home. I got some Fuji Superior Extra 400, which is something I don't shoot very often, so I'm actually excited to give this a go again, to see the difference between this and some of the other budget 400 ISO films. I got some Kodak Pro Image 100. I have no idea, I don't know anything about this film, honestly. Haven't used it, I see it on listings here and there, but like no one's talking about it. I've never used it, like there's just no information about this, at least that I've come across randomly. So I'm gonna shoot this and you know, we'll see what happens. Lastly, I think the most interesting thing I got is this. This is the double film bubblegum film. Looks like the film basically is pre-exposed with some random color and light leaks on it. And I don't know, I saw some sample pictures on the Analog Wonderland website and I thought it was interesting. So I chose it as my last film roll to complete the set of 6 in order to qualify for the discount. No clue what I'm gonna do with this, but I'm gonna have some fun with it. We'll see what happens. So I don't have any photos to show you for any of these films, obviously, because I just got them today, so I haven't used them, but definitely gonna make some videos about some of the older expired films, and then also potentially about some of those newer films that I've never used before. So definitely go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss those. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. Peace.